this video we will discuss about computer hardware. Computer hardware categorized in four parts: input device, output device, processing device and storage device. Input devices are used to feed data or instruction into the computer, whereas output devices are used to display the result of that input data after processing. Processing device means CPU. It performs the work of processing, means it can convert the raw data that we feed through input device into meaningful information and give that result as output. Next is storage devices. Storage devices are used to store our data or instruction permanently in computer storage. So whenever we need further the use of that data instruction, we can get that from there. Now let's discuss about some input devices. The most commonly input devices are keyboard. Keyboard is used to type number, alphabets and special character into the computer. It consists of 104 keys that include alphabet key A to Z, number key 0 to 9, special symbols and some special keys like function key, control keys and arrows. Next is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point and select object on monitor screen. And the arrow which is used to point and select object on monitor screen is called the mouse pointer. Scanner is also an input device that is used to read text or photograph from a paper, and it convert it into a form that can be understood by the computer, and after converting it can feed that text or pictures into the computer. Microphone is used to record our voice or any external voice into the computer. Webcam is used to record our pictures into the computer. We also use webcam via we are on online chatting through or video chatting. Next is a graphic tablet. A graphic tablet is also called digitizer, and it has a pen-like pointing device called stylus that is used to draw image and graphics on that tablet, like we used to draw image and graphics with the help of pen and paper. It is mostly used by the engineer, fashion designer, architecture. Next is touch screen. Touch screen is also an input device. These screens are sensitive to pressure, and when a user interact with the screen by touching or pointing with their finger, it can sense its work and perform accordingly. These touchscreens are mostly used in smartphones, ATMs and tablet PC. Micer, magnetic ink character reader, that is used to read the check number that is printed on the bottom of a check, and it is mostly used in bank. It reads the check number for its processing and clearance. Next is barcode reader. Barcode reader read the barcode that is printed on back side of any product like books, any articles, any items like toothpaste or any other items. This barcode reader read the barcode and feed the instruction that is filled in that barcode for billing purpose or any other detail. Now come toward output devices. Output device. The most commonly output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. Now monitor is used to display the result. Whatever work we do on a computer, either input or output, everything is displayed by the monitor. Monitor can be of three types: CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal diode, and LED, light emitting diode. CRT are the bigger one, while LCD and LED are compact. The difference between LCD and LED is that LED consumes less electricity as compared to LCD. Next is speaker. Speaker is used to display sound. It gives us sound. Whatever sound or music coming from the computer, we can listen that with the help of speaker. Now printer. Printer is an output device that give the hard copy of the result whatever we see on a monitor screen. It can be of many types, but here we can discuss its most probably three types, that is dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer is an impact printer, means while printing the print head made impact with the paper on which the result are printed. The quality of dot matrix printer is not very good and its speed is also slow. Next, inkjet printer. Inkjet printer is a non-impact printer and it print the result by flowing ink on paper. It can print the result in both black and white and in grayscale. Grayscale means colored copy. The speed of inkjet printer is faster and its print quality is good as compared to dot matrix printer. And the last one is laser printer. Laser printer is used laser beam to scan the result and print it on a paper. It can print only in black and white, but the quality of the printout is very good and it can print and its print speed is very fast as compared to inkjet printer, and its cost is also very less as compared to inkjet printer. Now this is all about input and output devices. Next devices we will discuss in next video.